Crypto beginner mistakes are the fastest way to turn your money into someone else's Lamborghini. Before you buy a single coin, watch this. I'm going to break down the biggest crypto beginner mistakes to avoid in 2026, including the ones that quietly drain your account even when you think you're doing everything right. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about crypto, investing, and the money decisions most people learn the hard way. Today we're zooming in on crypto beginner mistakes. The common crypto beginner mistakes that keep showing up in every bull run, every cycle, this time is different. If you're serious about not donating your money to the market, stay to the end. This is basically your "Don't Be Dumb" manual for your first year in crypto. Let's start with the most classic crypto beginner mistakes. Jumping in with no plan and no research. Most guides on beginner crypto mistakes to avoid start with the same point. New investors buy coins they don't understand, based on hype, FOMO, or a random TikTok. This shows up as a few specific mistakes. Mistake 1: FOMO buying. At the top you see a coin pumping. Your friend says, "It's going to the moon." You rush in. A lot of crypto beginner mistakes to avoid. Lists literally put FOMO at number 1. Here's the pattern. Price runs right pointing arrow. Social media explodes right pointing arrow. Beginners buy right pointing arrow. Early buyers sell into that demand. Right pointing arrow. You hold the bag. Mistake 2: investing before DYOR. No research. Common crypto beginner mistake. DYOR is just a meme until you've been burned once. Articles about crypto mistakes beginners make all say the same thing. People invest without even reading a single proper article or white paper. Ask yourself, what does this project actually do? Who is the team? Are they doxed? What problem is it solving that people care about? If the only reason you can give is, everyone's buying it, that's not research. Mistake 3: no clear goal. Another huge beginner crypto mistake is not knowing why you're buying. Are you long-term investing? Short-term trading? Just experimenting with a tiny amount to learn? If you don't know your goal, you won't know when to take profits, when to cut losses, or how much risk is too much. And that's when crypto beginner mistakes start stacking. Next group of common crypto beginner mistakes to avoid. How you handle risk in your money. Mistake 4: putting in too much, too fast. A lot of crypto beginner mistakes come from treating crypto like a shortcut instead of a high-risk asset. Guides on investing in crypto. Common mistakes to avoid. Warn that beginners put in way more than they can afford to lose, hoping for a quick life upgrade. If losing this money means you can't pay rent or you'd be sick to your stomach, it's too much. Mistake 5: going all in on one coin. So many beginner crypto mistakes involve all my net worth in this one project. If that coin crashes, gets hacked, or rug pulls, it's game over. Almost every list of crypto beginner mistakes to avoid says the same thing: diversify. Not into 50 random microcaps, but at least across a few higher quality assets. Mistake 6: using leverage as a newbie. This might be the most dangerous crypto beginner mistake. Using 10x, 20x, 50x leverage because you saw some trader brag about it. Platforms, Reddit threads, and pro traders repeat it constantly. Beginners lose very fast with leverage. Leverage multiplies both gains and losses. If you're still learning what a normal candle looks like, you don't need that multiplayer. Mistake 7: no risk management rules. Comments like, "I'll just see how it goes," are a walking red flag. Successful traders and long-term investors have rules like max percent of portfolio in any one coin, max percent loss before cutting a trade, max total allocation to crypto. Without rules, small crypto beginner mistakes become big, expensive ones. Quick question. Do you currently have any written rules for your crypto investing? Drop yes or no in the comments. Be honest. Now let's talk about the crypto beginner mistakes that don't show up in charts at all. Security and storage. These are the ones that guides call the top 5 crypto mistakes that cost beginners thousands. Mistake 8. Leaving everything on an exchange. One of the classic crypto mistakes beginners make is treating exchanges like banks. They're not. Exchanges can get hacked, go insolvent, or freeze withdrawals. Multiple beginner guides and Reddit threads about crypto beginner mistakes mention people losing everything when an exchange shut down overnight. If an exchange gets hit, you're just a line in a long list of creditors. Mistake 9. Terrible seed phrase hygiene. This is a huge one in newer articles about crypto mistakes beginners make. Saving your seed phrase in screenshots, cloud notes, email, or sending it to yourself on WhatsApp. Think of your seed phrase like the master key to your entire house. Would you print it on a t-shirt and walk around? No basic rules. Write it down on paper or metal and store it in a safe place. Don't take photos of it. Don't type it into random websites. Never, ever share it with support or anybody else. Mistake 10. Trusting shady platforms and fake support. Modern crypto beginner mistakes aren't just bad trades. They're next-level scams. We're seeing AI-powered scams, deepfake videos, fake support chats, all targeted at beginners. Typical pattern. Fake ad or DM promising easy returns. You're pushed to deposit on a sketchy site. You see fake profits on screen, then they demand more money for taxes or unlock fees and vanish. If a platform isn't well known, regulated, or recommended by trusted sources, assume it's guilty until proven innocent. Mistake 11. No 2FA, weak passwords. It sounds basic, but it's still one of the most common crypto beginner mistakes. No two-factor authentication, reusing the same password everywhere, and then acting surprised when accounts are drained. If you can secure a social media account with 2FA, you can secure your money. Even if your research is solid and your security is good, crypto beginner mistakes still happen because of emotions and execution. Guides on beginner crypto mistakes to avoid and tips to avoid common pitfalls all highlight these: panic, greed, and overconfidence. Mistake 12. Panic selling at the first dip. Red candle, right pointing arrow, instant I'm out. Mistake 13. Overtrading and ignoring fees. Another quiet crypto beginner mistake is trading way too often. Every buy and sell has fees. Over time, those fees eat into your profit, especially if you're just chopping sideways. Professional guides warn that beginners overtrade out of boredom or the need to do something, not because there's a real edge. Mistake 14. Chasing meme coins instead of learning fundamentals. Look, meme coins might pump. They might even change your life. But building your whole strategy around lottery tickets is one of the classic common crypto beginner mistakes. It's like trying to learn how to invest using scratch-off tickets. Fun? Maybe. Reliable? Not even close. If you don't understand Bitcoin and Ethereum yet, and you're already hunting ultra-micro caps, you're stacking crypto beginner mistakes like Jenga blocks. Let's put this into a simple framework so you actually avoid these crypto beginner mistakes going forward. Before any trade or investment, run through this mini checklist. 1. Education. Have I read at least one neutral article about this coin or platform? 2. Amount. If this goes to zero, will my life still be okay? 3. Storage. Do I know exactly where this will be stored, and is 2FA on? 4. Plan. Do I know why I'm buying, when I'd take profit, and when I'd cut a loss? 5. Emotion check. Am I buying because it pumped or because it fits my plan? If you can't tick these off in your head, that's a red flag. That's how you catch crypto beginner mistakes before they cost you money. These are the common crypto beginner mistakes you see in every bull run, every news story, and every "I lost everything" post. The good news? You can skip a lot of this pain. You don't have to make every crypto beginner mistake yourself. You can learn them once, right now, and decide, I'm not going to be the exit liquidity for someone else's plan. Treat crypto like what it is. A high-risk piece of your portfolio that deserves respect, not a lottery ticket. If you do that, you're already ahead of most beginners. If this helped you spot your own crypto beginner mistakes, do me a favor. Hit like so more people see this before they lose money. Hit subscribe if you want more straight talk videos on crypto, investing, and actually building a strategy that fits your life. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest crypto beginner mistake you've made, or the one you're most afraid of making? I'll be reading and replying, and maybe I'll turn your story into a future video, with your permission. Thanks for watching, and remember, avoiding dumb mistakes is often more important than finding the next 100x gem.